Prince, happy birthday. Ito, kasama ko nga pala yung baka. Kaya i-greet. So, yun. Wish you the very best. Love you.
Hi Ken, happy 21st birthday. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow. Good luck sa career mo. God bless. Good health for you. Happy birthday ulit, baby boy. We love you.